Hello, stargazers and knowledge seekers. Welcome to A Quick Note, your go-to channel for bite-sized insights and fascinating facts. If you're ready for a quick dive into the cosmos, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's embark on a journey of discovery together. When you gaze up at the twinkling stars, ever wondered if we're truly alone in this vast universe? Or perhaps you marvel at the sheer enormity of it all? Space is a real head-scratcher. We're in the dark about many things. Sure, we know it's incredibly vast and stunning, but the exact extent and beauty still elude us. Yet, the bits we do understand are absolutely mind-blowing. Check out these mind-boggling facts about space. They'll add an extra layer of awe to your starry contemplations. 1. Neutron stars can spin at a rate of 600 rotations per second. Picture this cosmic journey. Neutron stars are like the grand finale of massive stars. Born in the spectacular burst of a supernova, these stars undergo a dramatic transformation. What's fascinating is that they start twirling like cosmic ballerinas, initially spinning at a rate of up to 60 times per second after their birth. Now, brace yourself for the mind-blowing twist. Under extraordinary conditions, these celestial pirouettes can accelerate to over 600 rotations per second. It's like a space ballet where the stars pirouette at dizzying speeds, showcasing the captivating physics of the universe. 2. Space is completely silent. Consider this. Sound, whether it's the melody of music or the rumble of thunder, requires something to travel through. It's like a ripple in water or a message passed along through the air. Now, imagine the vastness of space, the place between stars. It's a silent void because there's no air or atmosphere for sound waves to hitch a ride on. So, that space remains eerily quiet. However, shift your focus to planets with atmospheres, like our very own Earth. These planets provide the perfect stage for sound to dance through the air. That's why our world is bustling with noise, and it's quite possible that other planets out there have their own symphonies playing. It's a cosmic concert, each planet with its unique soundscape. 3. There is an uncountable number of stars in the known universe. Wrap your head around this cosmic mystery. The universe is like a gigantic vault of stars, and guess what? We're not exactly sure how many are in there. Our best bet is to start with an estimate of the stars in our own galaxy, the Milky Way. Then, we take a wild guess about how many galaxies there are in the entire universe. After some serious number crunching, NASA can only confidently declare that there are a mind-boggling, uncountable number of stars. And when we say uncountable, we mean a zillion, a term we use when the numbers get too crazy to pin down. Now, check this out. A study from the Australian National University took a swing at this cosmic guessing game and came up with a jaw-dropping estimate of 70 sextillion stars. To put it plainly, that's 70,000 million stars. Wrap your mind around that stellar enormity. 4. The Apollo astronauts' footprints on the Moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. Picture this lunar time capsule. The Moon, lacking an atmosphere, plays host to the footprints, rover tracks, and discarded items left by the Apollo astronauts. Without wind or water to erase their marks, these imprints are frozen in time, a testament to human exploration. Yet, the Moon is not an eternal keeper of these traces. It's a dynamic place, constantly under the cosmic assault of micrometeorites. These tiny space particles keep the Moon in a slow dance of erosion. So, while the astronauts' marks endure for a very long time, they aren't invincible. The lunar landscape, though static on the human timescale, is quietly changing, one micrometeorite at a time. 5. 99% of our solar system's mass is the Sun. Wrap your mind around this solar heavyweight. Our Sun, a cosmic powerhouse, makes up a staggering 99% of the entire mass of our solar system. Its gravitational pull is so strong that it rules over all the planets. Now, let's get into its star status. Technically labeled a G-type main sequence star, our Sun is a fusion factory. Every second, it transforms around 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, generating a whopping 4 million tons of energy in the process. But don't panic about the future. When the Sun reaches the end of its stellar life, it will transform into a red giant, expanding to envelop the Earth and everything on it. Here's the good news. that cosmic spectacle is still a mind-boggling 5 billion years away. So, for now, bask in the warmth of our celestial heavyweight, the Sun. 6. More energy from the Sun hits Earth every hour than the planet uses in a year. Here's a bright spark on the energy front. The adoption of solar power has been skyrocketing, growing by a whopping 20% each year over the last 15 years. In 2017 alone, the world saw a remarkable surge, adding 30% more solar energy capacity. This translated to a substantial 98.9 gigawatts of solar energy generated that year. Now, that might sound like a big number, but let's put it in perspective. Despite this significant leap, the total solar energy produced in 2017 only contributed to 0.7% of the world's annual electricity usage. So, while the Sun is making a powerful impact, there's still a sunlit path ahead for even greater integration of solar energy into our global power landscape. 7. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will bond and be permanently stuck together. Enter the fascinating realm of cold welding. This incredible phenomenon occurs when individual metal pieces join together because, in the vacuum of space, the atoms in these pieces can't distinguish between them. They essentially think they're one and the same. Back on Earth, this welding magic doesn't happen because air and water keep the metal pieces apart. However, in the vacuum of space, they're free to unite. This has significant implications for building spacecraft and future metal-based construction in space, where the absence of air and water could lead to unexpected connections between metal components. It's like a cosmic bonding dance, where metal pieces become inseparable partners in the vacuum of the great beyond. 8. The largest asteroid in our solar system is a mammoth piece of space rock named Ceres. Meet the cosmic heavyweight, Ceres, a celestial body often called a dwarf planet, boasting a diameter of nearly 600 miles. It proudly holds the title of the largest resident in the asteroid belt, snugly positioned between Mars and Jupiter. Remarkably, Ceres claims 1/3 of the entire mass of this asteroid-filled belt. To put it in perspective, its surface area matches the land area of either India or Argentina. The uncrewed spacecraft Dawn wrapped up its mission orbiting Ceres in October 2018, delivering a wealth of knowledge that revolutionized our understanding of this intriguing world. Ceres, with its vast dimensions and mysteries, stands as a celestial giant in our cosmic neighborhood. 9. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Earth. Get ready for some celestial oddities on Venus. Imagine this. Venus takes its sweet time to spin on its axis, a whopping 243 Earth days for one full turn. Now, here's the twist. It speeds things up when it comes to orbiting the Sun, taking just 226 Earth days for a complete revolution. Hold on, it gets even more interesting. Brace yourself for a peculiar sunrise schedule. The Sun graces Venus with its presence every 117 Earth days. That means, on Venus, the Sun rises only twice during each Venusian year, all crammed into what we'd call a single day. And to add a cosmic cherry on top, since Venus does its rotation in a clockwise dance, the Sun rises in the west and bids adieu in the east. Venus, truly a planet with its own set of mesmerizing rules in the cosmic playbook. 10. Jupiter's red spot is shrinking. Jupiter's iconic red spot, a colossal swirling storm, has been undergoing a cosmic makeover in recent decades. Picture this. It used to be so massive that it could engulf about 3 Earths, but now, it's downsized to accommodate just 1 Earth. Here's the twist. While the storm is slimming down in width, it's stretching out in height. The mystery deepens as scientists scratch their heads, trying to figure out why this transformation is happening. Some speculate that changes in the jet streams on Jupiter, either in direction or location, might be the key players in this celestial drama. It's like a planetary puzzle where Jupiter's red spot is rewriting its own rules, keeping scientists on the edge of their cosmic seats. Thanks for joining us on this quick cosmic adventure. Until next time, keep looking up, stay curious, and may your curiosity reach the stars. See you in the next quick note.